Query filters reduce the amount of data shown in your visualizations, which increases efficiency. Let's start by creating new, or opening an existing graph or report. Navigate to and select the Edit Query Filters icon on the top left corner of your report. In a curved graph, select Edit Graph first, then navigate to the Query Filters tab. Click Create Filter. Choose your desired column, then filter type. To make a query filter required to load your visualization, select the Value Required box. This is helpful when you want to drill into specific sets of data, like if we only want to see capital projects in Canada. You may add up to 12 query filters. Once you're done creating your query filters, click Save. Enter your desired query filter values, then click Apply. To view the value applied, hover over the query filter token. If you want to edit or remove the query filter value, click on the token to modify. Then click Apply to update your changes. And that's how you use query filters in Kurve.